Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove text from video on mobile. Before we start, I made this video for you or beginner want to remove the text from video. It's very easy. As you can see, I'm using this app, Video Watermark. You can download this Video Watermark from Play Store, or maybe you have a like any application editor that have a watermark remover feature. You can do it, but I'm using Video Watermark here. But be careful, this application a lot of ads. I recommend you to use this app without internet connection. So let's get started. This is the Video Watermark application. This is a start page. You can remove watermark by tap this icon. Choose one of your video. Try to search the video that contain watermark. This one, for example. So you can remove this watermark by block this, or you can remove this all of this text and also this text. You can go premium. This is like in app a offer. Don't worry. After that, you can export. So you have to wait. As you can see, this is the video that already export. A little bit blurry, but it's better without text. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.